Hello, Happy Hudson. It's time for the construction site to shape up. You will love watching bulldozers circle around, clearing away triangles of dirt until the perfect building spot has been squared off, all in a day's work. Enjoy the book, my boy. Good night, good night. Construction site. Bulldozers shapes. At a new construction site, bulldozer revs up with delight. He sees the messy, rugged view. Woohoo! There's so much awesome work to do. Crane truck will help to point the way. They'll get this site in shape today. Big bulldozer starts to run and push right through to start the fun, and crane truck goes high to check the view and see what dozer needs to do. Crane truck plans the job with care. Hey, wait, Crane shouts. Start over there. Bulldozer nods. He's off to play and carves a squiggle on the way. He gathers boulders, makes a stack, charging forward and gliding back. With great power, he rolls and wrangles those rocks into a tall triangle. Then he moves great piles of ground into a circle, perfectly round. Go left now, calls out Crane truck. But watch that hole, or you'll get stuck. Bulldozer clears a huge pile of sand and forms a diamond in the land. He collects all kinds of rusty junk into one massive metal hunk. All soon, all of the mangle tangle is set into a new rectangle. Bulldozer moves 10 gravel hills with perfect skill so nothing spills. He gathers piles near and far and makes one mound shaped like a star. He shifts down hard to push and scrape and makes a road an oval shape. Crane truck points. You're almost done. Bulldozer makes one last fun run. He moves away old trees and stumps and levels all the hills and humps. Now the site is flat and bare, a perfect smooth and giant square. Hudson, I hope you had a great day full of fun, and Ominette prays that you will have a peaceful night's sleep after you've been so strong like these bulldozers in the day. You were lifting and pushing and running, and now it's time for a good rest. Take your bunny, cuddle tight, and we'll read another story tomorrow night. Good night.